Good morning, this is Mark Edwards from Cape Yachts. We're here at the Boston Boat Show, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of the brand new model Beneteau GT36. This Sport Express Cruiser comes with two motor options, the outboard and the inboard. This is the outboard version we're going to look at now. It's really a trend in express cruisers right now to go with outboards, and they do give you some added versatility in terms of where you can go, a shallower draft, a little simpler maintenance, and more room in the boat because now your motors are not taking up valuable living space. So we're looking here at the social aspect of the boat. The focus of the GTs is generally on the entertaining and outdoor seating arrangement. So this is a great boat to grab a bunch of your friends and go out for the day and have a great time. But you still have two private cabins down below, so you can take the family and spend the night in Nantucket or Martha's Vineyard and feel very comfortable. This has seating here in the back. You can see this sun pad, which has a backrest that can be moved forward or aft, so that can be a sun pad for the back. And it's got a big U-shaped settee with a double leaf table here in the center, and that can be opened or closed. You got the seat here on the side as well, so that is a very comfortable arrangement for all your friends. You got companion seat and helm seat up forward. That is a great place to drive from. It's got, this is the joystick control and two-screen electronics. The overhead hatch is something which opens electrically, so you have all of this air and light and sun coming in here when it's nice, but when it's not that nice, then you might end up closing it up, and that closes up electrically. You do have a grill and sink on this boat as well. That's under the locker in the back. So heading down below, you can see that we have a very nice companionway arrangement here. And take a quick look down below, see what's going on. As we come down below, we have a forward owner's cabin with a big double bed and windows on the outside, which are great, so you can see what's going on the mooring field. And there's a overhead hatch for air and ventilation. There's also lockers and hanging lockers and drawers in this space, so very accommodating. Nice big bed. As we pan back, you got a locker here, and we have the main cabin, which is a settee over here on the side. So you have the settee and electrical panel and stereo lockers overhead. Here panning back, we have an aft cabin, which again is another double bed, and this is a big space and private, so not that common for a 36-foot boat. And again, you have big windows looking out of the hull, so you don't feel like you're down in a little hole. You've got these big windows here with opening port lights, and you can really feel like you're connected to the outside as well as connected to the inside. Now this has a head with a stall shower. Let me open that up and we'll take a peek in here. So this has a very nice head vanity. The toilet is the electric quiet flush toilet. There's a cabinet, a mirrored cabinet outboard, and a mirrored cabinet up overhead. And you've got a separate stall shower with a door, which is really great too. And that is a big, beautiful space for your shower. And also, just between is the galley. The galley features a sink, stove, microwave oven up over the top, and a refrigerator underneath, which that is right down here. So that's it. This is the GT36. We'll come out and pan out. Come up the stairs. And this is what you get. Big, bright, lovely space for entertaining. With the seats. The seats over here on this side. Table. And a very easy path in and off the boat. And then this is where you might do some entertaining with the grill. So that's it. Swim, have fun with friends, and give me a call. Again, it's Mark Edwards at Cape Yachts. My cell phone is 774-526-0914, and I'll look forward to hearing from you.